This is a case study for Top Trade Lines. Buying seasoned trade lines is the fastest and most reliable way to dramatically and permanently improve the quality of your credit history. What's a seasoned trade line? A seasoned trade line is a line of credit that has been in good standing for a long period of time. When you add seasoned trade lines to your credit history, all the good payment history from the seasoned credit report transfer over to your credit report. This results in a higher credit score for you. Here's how it worked for an actual Top Trade Lines client. Meet Ash. He's 44, lives in San Francisco, California, and he's self-employed. And he wants to get approved for $250,000 in financing for his business. He purchased a diamond package from Top Trade Lines to add 7 seasoned trade lines to his credit report. Top Trade Lines got to work and added a Discover card with a $15,000 credit limit and over 10 years good payment history. They added a Bank of America card with $90,000 credit limit and over 15 years good payment history. They added a Chase card with a credit line of $28,400 and over 14 years good payment history. Another Chase card with a $26,000 credit line and almost 6 years of good payment history. They added a Citibank card with a $25,000 credit line and almost 9 years of good payment history, a Bank of America card with $20,000 credit line and over 10 years of good payment history, and another Discover card with a $21,000 credit limit and over 8 years good payment history. Here's what Ash's credit report looked like before adding the 7 seasoned trade lines. He had a credit score of 718, 747, and 687. After the 7 seasoned trade lines were added to his report, his scores improved to 778, 802, and 772. And as you can see, all the trade lines appear on his credit report. To recap, that's an increase of 60 points, 85 points, and 55 points. His new credit score improves his chances of getting approved for business financing. Learn how you can improve your credit score by using seasoned trade lines. Go to toptradelines.com and watch the video on the homepage. And then click on the Get Free Analysis button on the bottom to get your situation analyzed for free. Find out which trade line package will help you achieve your goal at the lowest possible cost.